I just discovered a tool that allows you to write smart contracts in your browser, all with AI. This is ChainIDE, the AI-powered IDE for Web3 developers, where you can write smart contracts in your browser. It gives you an environment where you can do all your full stack development stuff. Use cutting-edge AI models. Alongside the AI capabilities, it has a number of pre-written tools like the commentator, the decommentator, the advisor, the refactor, the code generator. It gives you all of this so you can write great code in the browser fast with AI. Let's take it for a spin. So I'm going to select Code Smarter in the old page. It's going to open up the environment. I am currently signed in. That's why you will see this avatar right here. Previously, it was sign in, so you need to sign in with your account. GitHub is the provider you need to use. On the sidebar, you'll find the link to the documentation. If you want to check out more stuff that ChainIDE can do, this is the place to go. Without further ado, let's see a number of stuff that you can do with ChainIDE. I will select the new project. You'll see templates that you can use to kickstart projects. I will select the Hello World template. Our IDE has completely loaded, and this is the editor screen. I can connect my wallet right here. I would use the JavaScript VM. Now let's select one of our code. You can see helloworld.sol, and we can actually edit it. This is similar to what you have in VS Code. The left-hand options show you a couple things like the Explorer, the search, the plugin manager, the port manager, and Git for version control. The port manager is very important. I'll go back to that. Then on the right-hand side, you'll find the compiler, the Solidity compiler, the deploy and interactions for you to deploy your contracts, the scan verifier, internal transaction, ChainIDE, code Sage. This is the part to explore greatly for this. So the commentator, I said, will add comments to your code. So if you click on commentator, it will add comments to your code. The decommentator removes comments from code. The advisor provides suggestions for code improvements, and the refactorer helps in identifying and fixing code issues. Sandbox allows you to spin up a node environment that you can use to install stuff. So I'm going to spin up one right now. Just click on that. So I can literally type ls and it should, this is a Linux environment to print out the stuff. So this is a proper terminal that you can use to install stuff. So let's actually do something right now. I'm going to go to my Explorer and create a new folder and call this backend, right? And inside backend, I'm going to create an index.ts cd backend to change directly into the backend. Next thing is I can do npm init, and that will initialize our node project. So I'll clear this, and now our backend has the package JSON and everything is great. So I'll come down here. This is the code generator section for ChainIDE, and I will ask for a simple express hello world code. Give me a simple express code for a addition and subtraction program. ChainIDE will actually spin up a sample code. I can copy this right now and paste it here. All right, so we have this right now. If I do add first number, second number, we should get the results. If I do subtract first number, second number, I should get the results. And it's on port 3000, right? Good. So I'm going to actually go to my package.json. Trying to run this code, right? So I'll do dev so we can actually run this. Index.js. Save this. I can close this and go to my backend and npm run dev. Good. So you see now that it's failing. Why? Because we don't have Express installed. So let's actually install Express. Npm install Express. So I can actually run that code again. Npm run dev, and our server has started on port 3000. So the next question is, how do you access your project? It's running, right? In the cloud, is running, everything's good. How do you access this? That is where we need the port manager. I'll go to the port manager and click on add port and select which of my sandbox is the one I want to give the port to. You see, our code is actually running. Cannot get because there's no route on the chain route. So let's take a look one more time at our code. You can see we need to do add slash first number or second number, and that will give us a result, or subtract first number, second number, give us a result. So I'm going to do slash add slash 5 slash 4, and that should give us the result of 4 plus 5 is 9. If we do subtract, right, it should say the result of 4.5. And this is all running in my browser. This entire code is not something I have on my local IDE. It's all running in the browser, all handled by ChainIDE, right? we can actually spin up front-end stuff too. So now that we have the backend running properly, let's see if we can spin up a front-end UI. So let's run npx create next app, and we'll call that front end, so it can spin that up there, right? And this is all inside ChainIDE as well. Nothing is external. The installation is now complete. Now we have the directory set up, the front end, the app, public, everything is in the Explorer. Let's see if we can run it. So I will change my directory once again to front end, and then I would run npm run dev. Once again, go to our port, click on add port, Ethereum, HTTP 3001, then add. And that would actually spin that up, so I can click it. If you see the screen, you don't need to bother, just refresh it a couple of times. So now you can see that we have the stuff showing. The plus now is you now have tools that will allow you to handle Web3 stuff, the crypto, your smart contract needs. And you might be asking the question, why are we not just using Code Sandbox, StackBlitz, or any of these other in-browser IDE environments? You don't have some of these tools that ChainIDE gives you. Like you want to deploy a contract, you want to, all these one-click things actually help with your developer experience. So from here I can deploy. So first compile the smart contract. See, compiling the smart contract is compiled successful. I can go to deploy, and then I can deploy it. So I can actually see the contract as deployed. So the LOR contract has been confirmed. And that was ChainIDE, the AI-powered IDE for Web3 developers. If you want to check it out, go to chainide.com, play around with it, let me know what you think, and leave your comments anywhere around this video.